best 5 tips for acne-free, pimple-free, clear skin that actually works. It is tried and tested by myself. It actually gave me a pimple-free, acne-free, a beautiful and nice and peaceful teenage. I never had pimple. I actually never had pimple. It gave me pimple rarely, maybe once or twice in a year, and never more than that. So yes, I have some 5 magical tips for you to achieve a good, nice, clear skin without acne, without pimple, without any kind of breakouts, or without any kind of comedones. Stay tuned with my video. I will not disappoint you. The first step I will discuss is something that is non-negotiable, absolutely non-negotiable. That is, keep your hormones in check. And the first symptom that you will get if you have hormonal acne or pimples is this is the place where you will get most of the acne, here and here. And if you are getting this kind of acne, then please keep your diet in check on a regular basis. It should not be like whatever I'm eating and after that I'm consuming my green tea. It is not going to work. Have a practical diet. Go to a good nutritionist, discuss your problem, and after that get a practical diet that is maintainable on a daily basis that you are comfortable with. And follow that diet religiously. No need to take any kind of changes, or no need to take suggestions from these and that videos from social media. You are good to go with that diet. If you are comfortable with that diet, just go with it. And trust me, your hormonal issues, your acne, your breakouts, your unnecessary pimples will get reduced for sure. And you will notice the change within a few months. And even if the reduction will take time, but it will surely be vanished after a certain point of time. The only condition is that you have to be religious. You have to be dedicated to that change. Cleanliness is the prerequisite of having a pimple-free, acne-free skin. And for that matter, it does not only include the hair wash, the face wash, and the body wash. Besides that, you have to be very careful what kind of pillow you are using, whether it is cleansed enough, whether it is neat enough or not. Do wash your pillow cover religiously and make sure you are not sleeping over a dirty pillow cover. That is very, very important. If you have dandruff, if you have build-ups on your scalp, if you have excessive build-ups on your scalp, especially if you are someone who have excessively oily scalp, do not forget to wash your comb on a daily basis. This is a very, very good habit, whether you are having breakouts, whether you are having small bumps on your forehead or comedones, this kind of problems. Trust me, a lot of problems comes from your scalp, from the dandruffs, from the build-ups, from the scalp oil that is coming down to your skin. At the same time, if you are doing your skincare, do not forget to wash your hands, because our hands actually carry a lot of germs on a daily basis. So whenever you are doing your skincare, do not forget to wash your hand properly. And after that, you can touch your facial skin, because your facial skin, your neck skin is a very, very delicate portion of your body. Stress management nowadays is very, very important. Like in our fast daily lifestyle, if your body is taking stress, if your brain is already stressed, you can't do anything about your pimple and acne. And these things actually can give you the acne or pimple or any kind of breakouts on your face or on your body. So work on it. You can have your yoga, you can have your exercise, you can dance with the rhythm, you can do something else, whatever you feel inclined with, whatever you feel comfortable with. This will give you a boost in your mind. Your mind will be stress-free. Whenever you are working, that will not add you with extra burden on your head. And that actually gives us the stress. And with a long term of taking stress, trust me, our skin quality deteriorates. Our hair quality deteriorates. Our body starts responding in a negative way. And it can go a long way. Trust me, stress management can actually bring you the difference on your skin. And it will be visible after a few months. It will not be visible overnight. It will take time. And stress management actually works. It, in a long run, deteriorates your skin health, your hair health, all over look. And it starts giving you a very negative result all over. So this is very, very important. Trust me, stress management will actually help you to get a better skin. If you are getting random and frequent acne on your face, it may be the stress. The stress may be the only villain of your bad skin condition. So treat that sensitivity with your inner health, with your inner strength. That will actually work for you. Sugar consumption is one of the most notorious villain right now in our life. I'm not telling you to cut down sugar completely from your life. That is not possible for us. But you can obviously reduce the sugar consumption. You don't need to unnecessarily consume sugar for your body. That is not our bodily requirement. That is our taste buds. So you have to make your taste buds habituated without unnecessary sugar. Avoid pastries, cakes, sweets, sweeteners, and fried, excessively deep fried things. These are very, very problematic for your skin. Trust me, when I used to get that, I used to get a very, very sensitive skin. My inner health was never very good when I was quite a bit younger. When I started skipping all these things, my skin got really better. As you can see, I'm not wearing any kind of makeup. I just have on my skincare and nothing. I actually never got pimple, maybe because of the good diet, maybe because of avoiding those deep fried things or packaged foods, not excessively, at least in my teenagers. That actually helped me a lot. I'm just telling you what I did and what actually worked for me. So you can obviously reduce the sugar consumption on your daily life. It can actually give you the visible result of the quality of your skin, of the quality of your body skin, of the quality of your hair. That actually works. So yes, do consider this one, because this will actually give you a good inner health, and that will reflect through your facial skin, through your body skin, to your hair health, and every single thing. I always keep telling that among all the skincare steps, among toners, essence, serums, moisturizers, these and that whatsoever, it is very important to cleanse your face properly. And double cleansing is obviously a tasted and tried method for everybody, especially if you have very oily skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have clogged pores and all, even if you have dry skin. You have good methods of cleanse your face, and double cleansing makes sure that you don't have any particles of dirt and dust on your face. If you're not comfortable enough to get double cleansing on a daily basis, then don't worry, it's not needed, it is not required. You can do it at least 3 or 4 days a week, and that will be more than enough. Trust me, double cleansing is a good step. If you have oily skin, then you can go for any kind of double cleansing method. You can go for facial oils, the makeup removal oils, and after that face wash. If you have dry skin, then you have cleansing milk that works pretty well for me, and after that you can go for a good face wash and your face will be absolutely clean. And this actually works pretty much well. More than salicylic acid or any kind of strong actives, these tips are going to help you so well that you don't have to use any other product separately for reducing your acne. These are actually very, very effective. I have tried all this methods when I was in my early 20s, when I was in my teenage. Trust me, I never had pimple. I actually never had pimple. The only pimple I had, that was because of my gut issues, but very rarely, maybe once or twice in a year I used to get pimple. Thank you so much. We'll see you very, very soon. I really hope you liked my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Stay happy, stay healthy till the next video.